In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GitHub repository public by changing it from private to public. If you've ever created a private repository on GitHub and later decided you want to open it up so others can access, view, or contribute to it, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it simple and easy, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to GitHub's official website. Log into your account using your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the list of your repositories, which you can find under the Repositories tab on your profile or homepage. Click on the name of the private repository you want to change to public. Now that you're inside the specific repository, you're going to look for the Settings tab. This is usually located at the top of the repository's page, alongside other tabs like Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and so on. Go ahead and click on Settings. The Settings page contains a variety of options that let you configure your repository. But for this video, we're going to focus on the section that controls the repository's visibility. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Danger Zone. Don't let the name intimidate you. This area simply contains some actions that can significantly affect your repository, such as deleting it, or, in our case, changing its visibility. In the Danger Zone, look for the option that says Change Repository Visibility. Next to it, you should see a button labeled Change Visibility or something similar. Click on that button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. GitHub does this to make sure you really want to make such a change, because switching a repository from private to public will mean anyone on the internet can now see your code and files. If you're sure you want to proceed, select Public from the options provided. Depending on your account's security settings, you might need to enter your GitHub username to confirm, or enter your password again. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only the repository owner can make this important change. Once you've completed the confirmation, click the button to finalize your selection. And that's it. Your repository is now public. Anyone can now view, download, or even contribute to your project, depending on your settings for collaborators and issues. If you ever change your mind, remember that you can only make a repository public to private again if you're the owner, and there may be implications for previously public data. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more tutorials for managing your GitHub repositories.